Okay, 6 weeks after surgery, I am able to do anything I was able to do about a year ago. I'm able to walk up and down the steps without any pain. I'm able to chase after my 6-year-old without any discomfort. I'm not taking any pain medicine. That's after a couple days of having the pain. I'm able to do everything you're supposed to do at this age. Okay, my name is Helen. I had a total knee replacement by Dr. Fechisin at Thompson Surgical Center. Before surgery, I could not do much. I had about a year of swollen, uncomfortable. I wasn't able to walk. I had to always take a break. I couldn't stand for very long. Even cooking, I had to bring the chair into the kitchen. It was just a lot of pain and discomfort until I finally went to see Seaview Orthopaedic. Dr. Fechisin's a very nice, kind, professional man. He was able to explain everything to me in great detail of what was going to happen, what needed to be done, what I had to do post-op, pre-op. Anything I needed to ask him, any stupid questions, he was able to answer without any hesitation. He was just a very nice, professional man. And we did an x-ray, and he gave me an injection, said come back in a couple weeks. If the injection works, you don't need any more things done except come back for another injection, or come back and we'll discuss surgery. I needed surgery. After 2 weeks of the injection, there's still too much pain, and I needed to get on. I'm 6 weeks post-op. I could do anything I could do prior to the pain. So before January of last year, I could do anything. I keep up with her. I am able to walk, jump. I don't do that much jumping, but I'm able to jump. I'm able to go up and down the steps. We're able to run around like I normally do. There's no pain. I've not had any pain since the week after surgery.